Hey everyone! If you've ever wanted to hit the open roads in Euro Truck Simulator 2 but didn't want to spend a dime, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you a quick, safe, and 100% free way to download ETS2 on your PC. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be driving across Europe without paying a penny. First, open your browser and go to the official Steam website. If you don't already have the Steam client installed, click on Install Steam, download the installer, and follow the setup instructions. Don't worry, it's fast and straightforward. Once Steam is up and running, launch it and go to the Store tab. Use the search bar to type Euro Truck Simulator 2. You'll see the game page pop up. Now, the full version costs around $19.90. But here's the trick. Steam offers a free demo. Scroll down and click download or add to library to grab the demo version. After the download completes, open your file explorer and locate the installed demo files. I recommend running the game executable as administrator for the best performance. And just like that, the demo launches smoothly. No hacks, no sketchy sites, just a legit safe way to play ETS2 for free. From here, you can explore the roads, test out the trucks, and get a feel for the game before deciding if you want the full version. And there you have it. Euro Truck Simulator 2 on your PC for free in just a few simple steps. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite ETS2 truck or route. Happy trucking, and I'll see you in the next video.